Okay, so what we're doing here is we're going to be welding a stainless steel 2-inch diameter 304 tube at a 45-degree angle. And this particular item is used in the pharmaceutical industry to bring powder down through the inside. The weld has to be very clean on the inside and very precision, very neat, very small, low amperage weld to seal that joint. Okay, so Cipriano is going to be demonstrating this process. It's the TIG welding process again on stainless steel, and he's going to demonstrate a nice small fine fuse weld right around this joint. Okay?
Yep.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Cipriano. Yep. That's a beautiful, nice precision weld. That's fuse welded right in here. You can see the nice rainbow colors here. And it's a nice fuse weld with absolutely no penetration on the inside, which is what we're looking for. And that's a successful weld. Very good. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Good.